Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create new Nike accounts and get promotional codes or collect points or special offers. In this tutorial, we will be using two main apps, which are the Nike app, create the account, and the RentSms service app to get a fresh phone number rented for a long-term period, which is like 1 week, 1 month, depending on your needs. The good thing about this app, RentSms, is they have fresh number, never used before, and they are physical SIM card number, not virtual, because as you guys know, Nike and other services are not accepting virtual numbers anymore. So I took the liberty to skip the first steps of creating new Nike accounts, which is your name and email, which is simple things. And I am here now on the step where you can use a phone number to complete the verification. So with this, I will be using the RentSms app. You can download it from Google Play Store. I will leave the link in description, and you can also access this service through the web app. You can visit rentsms.online. I will also leave the link in description to create an account with them. And also you can top up your account if you don't have funds in it. You can use coin payment, cryptocurrencies, PayPal, or credit cards to top up your account. As you can see in here, I have some account balance because I already used them before. So I'm just gonna get a new fresh number now by clicking on buy numbers and selecting a country. In this tutorial, I will go with Czech Republic. They are a bit cheaper and also very nice. So click buy in here. I will just take it for 1 week. It costs $5, something like that, and click buy. So now you can see all my active numbers. Czech Republic, this one I just bought it. Click on inbox. This is where I will be receiving my SMS code. So I will just copy this and go back to my Nike app and look for the country code for Czech Republic. It should be here. After that, you will be receiving your SMS code and complete your Nike verification, and your account will be ready. It's Czech Republic. I'll just post it here. Agree to the receive SMS message and click send the code. Okay. We should be able to receive our codes shortly in the RentSms app. Just click refresh. Okay, here we have the code from Nike, and the code is 771902. I'm just click it 7709, or I just forgot it. I'm just gonna check back. 771902. 7. And done. Very simple, very quick. Okay, I think we are in, guys. Okay. All right. Here we are inside our account. This is the account I just created with the phone number that I used. Everything is here. You can also check later for promotional offers and coupons for upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for an updated tutorials on more services. And see you later.